To find the discussion board, there are 3 ways to access the discussion board. Through the menu items, by clicking on the menu button, will take you directly to the forums area. In the Tools box under Communication, follow the discussion board link, which will also take you to the forums area. The last option is within a menu item itself. Your instructor will create a link, which will take you directly into the forum where you can create a thread. There are some basic terms you'll be hearing throughout this video. Let's start with the discussion board. The discussion board is the actual area within your Blackboard course where your instructor will have one or many forums for you to reply to. A forum is the topic or question itself and has a link that will take you to another page where you will add your thread to the forum. A thread is the initial post to a forum or an additional posting used to segue to a new topic. Each instructor may want you to use the threads in a different style or manner, so always default to the instructions given to you by your faculty. The post itself is an entry to the forum, or it can be a reply to a thread. The forum view. In the forum view, you can see all your forums of your course. If you have group forums, they will be posted in your group area's discussion board. You can view the forum's activities in the columns to the right of the forum name. It will show total posts, unread posts, and total participants. You can also use the search box to search a keyword or user. From the drop-down menu, you can search the current discussion board or all forums in the course. To add a thread to a forum, click the forum link. The thread view. Within the thread view, you have 2 viewing options, the tree view or the list view. Let's start with the tree view. The tree view starts with the action bar. The action bar contains the create a thread, which is the icon to start a new thread to the forum, the collect threads icon, which will allow you to open selected threads in one window to gather selected threads onto one page where posts can be sorted, filtered, or printed. Flag or clear a flag, which allows you to flag threads for later actions. The mark as read or unread icons. You can mark threads as read or unread to override the automatic functions within Blackboard. You also have a subscribe to a thread, which allows you to subscribe to a particular thread, so when anyone adds to that thread, you will receive an email notification of the new posting. The subscribe feature is an option that the instructor has enabled and is not always available. You also have the search tool, which will allow you to search for keywords within the current forum, the current discussion board, or all forums in the course. The search option can be hidden or exposed by clicking the icon. The threads can be viewed, expanded, or collapsed by using the plus or minus side to the left of the thread title. Toggle this to use the feature. Or you can use the expand all or collapse all from the bottom action bar. To the right of the thread title is the author of the post and the date the thread was posted. The title and author are bolded if the thread has not been read. The paperclip icon represents an attachment that is available to download with the thread. The bottom action bar has a refresh icon to refresh your Blackboard page. Next is a drop-down window with some options for selecting threads, and the expand all and collapse all icons. The list view. The list view also has the action bar with the thread, collect, Mark Read, Mark Unread, and Subscribe tool if available. The Search tool is also available and can be hidden by using the Search toggle icon. Along the top of the threads are the menu items: the date, the thread title, the author, the status, unread posts, and total posts. You can use the small white triangles to select how you would like to view and arrange each area of the thread. The bottom action bar also has the selection feature and features two drop-down windows that will allow you to select the number of the threads to view and the way the threads are viewed by published, hidden, drafts, or all. Adding a thread. When creating a forum, the instructors have the option of allowing or not allowing users to start threads. If the threads are graded, users cannot start threads. They can only reply. To start a thread, whether you're in the tree or the list view, click on the thread icon. Type in your subject and message. You have the ability in a thread to attach a file by using the Attach File icon in the Visual Text Editor box or using the number 2 Attachments option. To save as a draft, click on the Save button. This will allow you to come back at a later time and finish or edit your submission. To submit to the discussion board, click on the Submit button. Reply to a thread. If you want to add a comment or continue a conversation to a particular post, you can reply to the author directly. Open the thread you want to reply to. Click Reply for the post and enter your message. As with a thread, you can save as a draft or submit directly to the discussion board. The post will appear in the thread underneath the original post. If the forum is moderated by your instructor, the post will not appear right away. The moderator will have to approve the posting before it is displayed. The creator of the forum can also include a peer rating option to the forum. This will be shown in the post in the upper right hand corner with an option to give the post a rating from a scale of 5 stars. Use the drop down and select the star rating for the post. You also have a toggle option to show or hide the parent post. This can be used to reference the parent post when reading the thread.